Hi you guys, today I'm going to be making a video on how I removed my color run on my shorts. And these shorts that I have here, I bought at Neiman Marcus, and I really like these shorts. I don't remember how much they usually are. I got them on sale. I love these shorts, and the first time that I actually washed these, I washed them by hand. The second time, I accidentally threw it with my regular clothes, and the color was not the same after. It had like a blue grayish tint to them. It was horrible. I was just like, oh my god, I only wore these 2 times and now they're ruined. So I was looking up videos or trying to Google how I can remove the color from the lighter part of the shorts, and I could not find really anything. I did find this color run remover though, and I found a few other products, but I wasn't really sure, and I was just like, why not experiment? I mean, I'm not gonna wear them like that again. But anyways, it comes in a packet like this. I already opened it because I already tried it. These shorts are supposed to be hand washed only. It says not to dry clean, not to put in the machine. So I kind of ruined it. But I mean, it's still in great condition. And even though on the box it says not to try it, not to do it on synthetic fabric, silk, denim, and I'm gonna list it for you guys so that way you guys can see it before you guys even purchase it. So the instructions is fill sink or bucket with 3 to 4 gallons of the hottest water permitted by the fabric care. To be honest, you guys, when I did this, I only used a bowl like this. I filled it up with hot water. I added the color run remover, and you guys, this actually worked. I love this thing, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did this. So I'm going to wait until my water turns really hot. Okay, so my water is hot now. I'm going to fill it up. I'm going to add my garlic. So now I'm going to add in the shorts. I would suggest using a bucket and or a big dish. When you're doing this, you don't want to add the detergent just yet. And then after, you want to remove your garment, and you want to rinse through with warm water, and then wash the detergent as usual. Now that I'm finished washing this by hand, I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna hang it in the bathroom and let it dry. And then I'll show you guys how it looks after. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it works for you guys. I would suggest trying it on a little piece instead of trying this on the whole thing. I tried it on my shorts. I didn't care, and I didn't do the test just because the shorts would have been trash if I wouldn't have succeeded in this process. So thank you guys all for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my other videos.